Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you my Ukwa delicacy recipe you are gonna love. I'm sure you have never tried it this way before. So guys, this is called Ukwa in Igbo language. I think it is called breadfruit in English. If I'm right, drop on that comment section. So this is a whole pot of Ukwa. I have curried for Ukwa for a very long time. I would have cooked this in Nigeria, but I had a lot of food I cooked and I couldn't cook this, so I brought it back to America. I bought a lot of it, and this is quite expensive. This is a whole pint of Ukwa, and I bought this for, I think, 35,000. Yes, I bought each pint for 35,000. And guys, we are going to enjoy it. I have curried for Ukwa and I want to enjoy Ukwa. So today, this is what I am cooking. All you need to do is wash this thoroughly. Make sure you get all the sand and dirt out. Pick up any dirt, any leftover skin or you think is not good. Whatever is not edible that is around it, just clean it up nicely. Wash properly. Sometimes they dry it up. Sometimes we just clean it up and we cook it. Everybody's always anxious to eat ukwa because it's very delicious. Very delicious. More than beans. More than even akidi or honey beans. If you have eaten honey beans, you know how delicious honey beans usually taste. So if you're going to be eating dried ukwa, make sure you soak it overnight. That way it will continue to soak till the next day. When you want to cook it, it will be very easy for you to cook. Make sure you wash properly. I keep emphasizing on this, otherwise you will get stones and all manner of stuffs in the ukwa. Stay tuned. So guys, this is a whole lot of ukwa. I've gone ahead to take out some because it's going to be too much. It's just my husband and I. So what I did was to reduce the ukwa. I have added water to the ukwa, just a little above the ukwa, and then I'm going to cover it and let it cook until it is very soft. Did you hear what I said? Until it is very soft. This is more hard to cook than beans. Ukwa is in the species of beans, but this is very hard to cook. You have to cook until it is very soft before you can go in with just a little bit of salt, pepper, and oil if you care. It will take hours to cook because it's dried ukwa. This is not like fresh from the farm. It's very dry. If you like, you can bring out the water of this ukwa, set it apart. You can drink it like that. Yes. If you like, you can add oil. If you like, you can eat without oil. Because of how much I love ukwa, my mother will always buy me ukwa from the market. Molded ukwa, some of them with oil, some of them without oil. Very delicious meal. Very proteinous meal. Very healthy meal. Very healthy meal. If you know ukwa, you know ukwa. Okay? Stay tuned, guys. Let's cook ukwa together. So we are going to be using this fish to enjoy our ukwa. This is red snapper fish. I'm going to season this like I like to season. You can season the way you like to season. I will just roast this so we can enjoy our ukwa with this. Yes. Yes, so we need to start enjoying ourselves. We need to enjoy. This year is going to be enjoy. Okay? Season to your preference and allow it to cook. Red snapper fish is a very good fish. I like to have this because of my hobby. To season, I use my pepper mix, which is like ginger garlic. So I added my peppers, ginger garlic, onion, turmeric. I added paprika. I added Maggi seasoning. Whatever Maggi seasoning of your choice can do. Add cumin. This is fish. I just wanted those things. That's why I have it. I have I think I have cloves also here. Okay, you can decide not to. I have black peppercorn. you can decide not to, but these are the things I've gone in, and I added some olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to set it in the oven to grill. Look at how nice it's looking. You can do you, okay? This is me. Shall set it in the oven to grill. I have water in this tray. I want some fish water and will help it to come out moist. To help your fish to come out moist. So this is how I'm going about it. Just give it about 15 minutes. Flip to the other side and see if it's good enough for you. Otherwise you can flip it and allow it to cook until it is ready. Check our ukwa, guys. At this point I'm going to drain some of this water out, because you can also drink this water. Guys, this ukwa have been cooking for over 7 hours. I'm not going to lie to you. I spoke with my husband around 12, and this is 7:52. Honestly, this ukwa stayed for almost 8 hours. I can't believe my eyes. I don't know what they are using to preserve this ukwa now, but I'm being very honest to you guys. I have been cooking this ukwa since 12, and this is 7. Look at the time. This is 7:52. This is not like the ukwa we used to cook in my village, but it's not like my mother's ukwa, and it does not even taste like my mother's ukwa. I'm not lying to you guys. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to drain some of this water out so we can add a little drop of oil. You don't have to, but I'm going to add a little drop of oil, crayfish, pepper, just to give it some taste. Because I mean, I want to enjoy it. I don't know if it's because I'm not feeling too well, but I can't taste the real ukwa like I was craving for it. But I'm going to show you what I'm about to do. Stay tuned. I'm adding some oil. I discovered I don't have oil in the house, but just this little drop will do, and then I'll add other things. I blended fresh pepper and onion. I'm going to add this. This is ukwa. You just want that simple taste of ukwa. Ordinarily, I do not add Maggi to my ukwa, but with this ukwa, I have to add Maggi just to give it some taste. Like I said, I don't know how they preserve this, but this was dried when I got this. I hope you're loving this video. Thank you. So I'm going to add my crayfish. I'm going to go in with my crayfish. This is a lot of crayfish. I pray to give it the good taste that I wish. Okay. Let's mix this. I'm loving my ukwa recipe. Oh. It looks so yummy, delicious. Guys, I can't wait to dive. It looks so delicious. Look at that. You can also use your potato masher. You know that thing they use to mash potato to mash it. This is very delicious actually. It came out very good. This is our ukwa. You can add more oil if you care. I really do not want too much oil. Okay. I'll allow it to simmer for about 60 seconds so that the Maggi can melt in there. I didn't melt this Maggi because it was so strong. I brought it out from the fridge. So I'll show you the water that I brought out from the ukwa, and then I'll show you how we're going to enjoy this ukwa. Dishing so that my husband can enjoy. Baby, is this enough?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh baby, this looks good. So we made fish. Our red snapper fish is ready. Baby, which one do you want? Anyone?
Yeah.
My husband mostly do not like this. I thank God for my husband, for the privilege he gave me to cook and show. Sometimes he doesn't really like it. Let me just show you, sweetheart. This is how my hubby is going to be enjoying this deliciousness. You guys come and eat. This is our water. I'm going to drink this. I love this a lot. I love Ukwa water. Guys, you can't understand this if you don't know it. Ukwa, Ukwa is everything. I love, love, love. This is so fulfilling. The Ukwa water is good. I hope you love this. Try this and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys. Stay tuned. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Ciao, ciao. See you soon. All right.